How to create an account on Facebook Lite. So first of all, launch Facebook Lite application. Now once you come to the app's interface, at the bottom tap on Create New Account. Now simply tap on Create New Account. Now start by entering your first name. Enter your last name. Then tap on Next. Now choose your birth date. Then tap on Next. Now you have to choose your gender and tap on Next. Now over here you can either create your account using your mobile number or you can sign up with email as well. So let's tap on Sign up with email. Then enter in your email address and then tap on Next. Now you would have to create a password for your Facebook Lite account and then tap on Next. Now all you would have to do is agree to Facebook's terms and policies and tap on I agree. And after this, all you would have to do is enter the confirmation code sent to your email. Once you do so, all you would have to do is tap on Next and then you will successfully be able to create your account on Facebook Lite. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.